Glass skin in 3 easy steps. I was just sent these amazing products from the brand Face Republic, and this is it, a 3 simple step routine to go from kind of dry skin right now, feeling a little dull and feeling just not nourished. It needs some hydration. I cleansed my skin and I'm so excited to see what these can do. So the first product we're gonna use is the Blooming Essence Rose Mist. This was sent to me, and this one you just spray on your face. You can use it before makeup, you can use it after makeup. It's supposed to give you that instant hit of hydration and glow, which I'm so excited for. You're gonna hold it away from your face. I usually close my eyes and spray. Now this is the first time I'm using it, so it might take a couple pumps. Wow. That rose smell is so relaxing. So not only are you making your skin look good, you feel so nice from this mist. So you just kind of set your face with that. Again, you can use this before or after makeup. Now let's follow up with the Vita Radiance Niacin 10 cream. This is really good if you have dull skin, if you have dark spots, which I do. So I like to use a brightening cream like this. This is gonna help minimize your pores and sebum while soothing and moisturizing. This is what it looks like. So it is thicker, a nice thicker cream that you're putting on. You can apply this after you've used a serum. You can apply it after you've used a face mist like the Rose Mist. Looks like a little does go a long way as well. You could use this morning and night. Many people have used it, say they see noticeable results. This is new to me, so I'm just using it now for the very first time, but glides on very nicely. Your skin feels quite hydrated afterwards. Now this is the packaging. It's a vegan formula as well. So I was sent this one and loving it. The third step, I'm really excited to see what this is gonna do to lock it all in. I was sent the Purity Sun Essence, and what I'm really excited about is it's SPF 50. So you're getting great sun protection. It has no white cast. So let's see how well this blends into my skin and absorbs on my skin. I'm in my 40s, so we're using this on mature skin. Super, super simple to blend in. Let's use a little more here on the cheeks. Now you're getting that high SPF. It is reef safe as well. This is extra lightweight. I will agree with that. I think it is very lightweight. You don't see any white cast on my face. So this is fabulous if you're looking for a really good SPF that also locks in hydration on your skin. We're gonna take the 3 of these together, and that took me minutes to go from dry skin that felt really tight to nice, hydrated, glowing glass skin. So simple. And if you want to end with another spray of the Rose Mist, I think that would be a great idea. That just kind of locks everything in and actually makes your skin even glassier. So love that. You do want to shake it before you use it, which I already had done, to kind of mix it all up. And plus, I just can't get enough of how good this one smells. Another thing that's really cool with the packaging, when you open the box, you can discover your skin type. So I thought that was really interesting. There's like a little quiz to discover it, and mine is uneven and wrinkled. So that's pretty fun. But all the boxes have that inside, so you can discover it. This is really nice K-Beauty. What's also great is you can get bundles. So if you want to try 2 products, you can get a discount on that. So we have these 2 bundled together, these 2 bundled together. So important to wear SPF every single day, even when it's cloudy. That's going to be so good to protect your skin, and especially for anti-aging, you want to make sure you have an SPF on every single day. And beyond impressed with the Rose Mist. I just felt like this one really did lock your skin into that glass skin look and it smells so good. And it's really like relaxing yet invigorating at the exact same time. So Blooming Essence gives you that dewy glow, and you can wear this one before makeup or after makeup. I used it as step 1 and then again at the end as the final step. So you can get all of these, you can get the bundles or just get the 3 of these combined. And I think you're gonna love the results of your glass skin in just a matter of minutes.